This pseudo experiment has morphed into something different than I had initially anticipated or initially thought about. At first, I had heard that WIX and SuperTech oil filters, which is sold, SuperTech is sold at Walmart. WIX is sold at O'Reilly Auto Parts. I'd heard that they're the exact same filter. So then I decided to get these two filters, which are exactly the same for the same vehicle. It's for a 98 Chevy GMC or Chevy pickup. And then I thought, well, I got to get a Fram for comparison, right? A baseline. And then I thought, well, hey, I've always wanted to know what the difference between WIX XP and WIX is, so I went and got a WIX filter too. So I'm going to cut these open. I have a handy dandy cutting tool right here that I borrowed from a good buddy of mine. But this is going to do a nice, clean, smooth cut along the oil filters, and we can see what's inside of them. The first thing I want to do is I want to weigh them. I want to see how much each individual filter weighs. So these were all bought from the store. The two WIX were bought from O'Reilly Auto Parts. The Fram was bought from AutoZone, and the SuperTech was bought from Walmart. I'm not sponsored by any of these people. They did not send me these filters. I used my hard-earned money to buy these filters. So let's check them out. So let's turn this on. Make sure it's clear. The WIX XP 51036 XP comes at 11 ounces, 11.3 ounces. The Fram comes in at 9.1 ounces. The SuperTech comes in at 9.5 ounces. And the non-XP WIX filter comes in at 9.9 ounces. This was, what was this again? 11.3. Like I said, people have said that these two filters, this filter in particular, the SuperTech, is made by WIX. So I want to find that out. So I'm actually going to cut them open. And for a baseline, I can already tell right off the bat that the Fram filter is not made by WIX. So get this out of here. Some of the same things that I've noticed about the WIX and the SuperTech filter is that the ridges along here on top for hand grip are the same. Some of the markings on top are the same as well. It has a date it was made, I believe. And it has this D3. You probably can't see it here, but there is a D3 on here as well. You flip them over, kind of the same. The drain back is a different color. This is black, that's red. And the weight was also different as well. So let's cut one of these open. Let's cut the SuperTech open first. Got that open there. Alright. So let's see what fell out of here. There's the element. Just a paper element. Well, we have the SuperTech filter open. Going to cut open the WIX filter right here. There's the inside of the WIX filter. Here's a WIX element. I think they're very similar in construction. I don't think they're exactly the same. So I want to say, oh yeah, this one's 100% made by WIX, because I don't think it is. They might come out of the same plant, but I'm going to label these. All right, let's cut open the WIX XP. We'll cut open the Fram. Got the XP one open. White element, huh? There's a spring. There's that. It has this metal bracket in the middle. I think these weigh different actually too. So before I go any farther, I know it's white, but WIX XP. Let's weigh these real quick. The WIX XP element. Hopefully you guys can see that. It's right there. 4.2 ounces. The regular WIX. 3.0. I bet if I was to put all the pieces on here, it would probably be the same. Probably be exactly the same. Let's try it. Here's the regular WIX. 7.0 right there, 7.0. Bring in the WIX XP. .0. Oh, can you guys see that? 7.0, just like I called it. So the difference is in the element. 7.0. So we got to cut these elements open. I'll do that in the next video. Let me cut this last Fram open. So that's crazy. So the casing, all the elements inside, the O-ring, the little spring on top for the drain back is all the same, 7.0 ounces. The only difference being the element. So you're paying more for the element. Last one I'm cutting. Man, this thing is super light. Fram filter, WIX XP, SuperTech from Walmart, WIX from O'Reilly Auto Parts. As I'd shown previously, the WIX XP and the WIX are the same weight, except for the element itself. This Fram is the most poorly designed one out of all four. Has paper elements at the end. Doesn't actually have a spring for the drain back. It has this little, I don't even know what this is. I don't even know if this will get compressed. That really doesn't do anything. The drain back is a little bit thinner. There you go, guys. Next video I do, I'll show you guys cutting open the elements. I think the SuperTech oil filter from Walmart is better than the Fram Extra Guard. This doesn't do anything. Doesn't even, you can compress these springs that it comes with for the drain back, but this doesn't do crap. Doesn't do jack. There's no way to compress this with this chintzy whatever. I don't even know. You can't even call it a spring. It's just paper at the ends, both ends, just paper. Paper. Nothing to hold this thing in. Alright, so next I'll cut these things open. I'll put that in the video description below. I'll cut the elements open. We can see how much coverage they have. What am I doing? This goes over here. But all four of these, I think WIX is a great brand. Whether it's to be the XP or the WIX, just the plain WIX. Only difference being the element. Then I would go with the SuperTech from Walmart, and then a distant 21st place I would go with a Fram. Look in the description below. I'll put a link to the elements cutting open. If you have found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to Bundys Garage. Questions, comments, concerns, you can reach out to me at bundysgarage@gmail.com. You can follow me on Twitter. And like always, I'll keep them rolling for you.